Good morning, ma'am. So, this is our report for this morning, the speed, distance, and time. So, I am Aris Quinto JUMAO-AS, the first reporter. So, here are objectives. First, state the formula in finding the speed, distance, and time, and identify the speed, distance, and time in a given problem, and solve each problem involving speed, distance, and time. So, the definitions of terms: speed is a scalar quantity that refers to how fast an object is moving. Distance is the total length between two positions. Time is the quantity measured or measurable period during which an action, process, or condition exists or continues. And average speed is a measured the distance traveled in a given period of time. It is sometimes referred to as the ratio of distance and time. So here are one example. Jamil bought a new car. He drove his car from Manila to Baguio City at an average speed of 65 kilometers per hour for a total of 4.5 hours. So the question is, how far did he travel? So first, let's analyze the problem by using the guide questions. So what is asked in the problem? So the asked in the problem is the total distance that Jamil traveled and what are given in this problem. So the given in this problem is 65 kilometers per hour, which is the average speed, 4.5 hours, which refers to time. So number 3 represents the unknown using a variable. Since you are asked to find the distance that Jamil traveled, let the variable d represents the distance traveled. D is equals the distance traveled in kilometers. Okay, so relate the given information in the problem to the unknown number of kilometers by means of an equation. So to find D, multiply the average speed and time, or D equals S times T. So, if sa problem is ang hinahanap ay speed, ito yung gagawin natin. Divide the distance by the time, or is equals D over T. If ang time naman yung hinahanap sa problem, i-divide natin ang distance by the average speed, or T equals D over S. So, number 5, the equation D equals S times T describes the problem. So, the equation D, so ang hinahanap sa problem natin kanina ay yung distance. So, paano natin isosolve yun? D equals S times T. So, i-multiply natin yung 65 km sa 4.5 hours dahil ang hinahanap natin sa problem natin ay ang distance. So, the total average of 65 km times 4.5 hours is equals 292.5 kilometers.